What's up, everyone? It is JAni. Welcome back to my channel. I'm grateful that you're here, and in this video, I'm going to take you along for the ride for one of my latest and greatest wedding celebrations that RJ just put together the video for because we had a ton of fun with an amazing couple at a super cool property, a first-time property for me here in the state of New Jersey. The property itself was called the Cross Keys Estate, and it was about an hour and 40 minutes north of where I personally live. So a little bit of a hike up in North Jersey, and the property was awesome. It was beautiful. They did a great job hosting, and the room itself was just super pretty. Now, the couple in this case, I absolutely adore. I love a lot of the couples I have the opportunity of working with, and this couple is no exception. The bride went to school with my fiance Lauren when they were younger and was a longtime friend of hers, and the groom in this case, I've done weddings for his family and friends for now almost a decade. I've probably done 6 or 7 weddings for this collection of people on the groom's side. We were set up for an incredible night. From an equipment perspective, I repurposed and reworked one of my older DJ booths, my custom JAni media DJ booths, and I reworked it. And this was the first time me bringing it out at an event. This booth is insane. It has an 80-inch screen in it. It is actually cased in wood and has a mirrored front, but behind that mirror is an 80-inch screen. Really something pretty. I was incredibly happy with how this booth looked in this location, and that's not all. We used an RCF HD45A top system paired with RCF 9004 AS subs, monster power, and we used Chauvet 140 SR hybrid lights along with 8 Astera AX1s with my Lightsmith stands. And by the way, if you're a DJ using the Astera AX1 lights or Titan tubes or any of the Astera tube light LED sticks, you're going to want to check out these super dope stands from the team at Lightsmiths. I'm going to put a link in the description field down below if you're in the market or looking to really expand the way you look. These stands are super boss. And the Lightsmiths team hooked me up with these new telescoping poles that go super high, which really allowed us to build this really pretty kind of design around our booth that complemented the party. It made us look super dope. And again, I was just super happy with the setup in general. The music from this reception was kind of all over the place. We had some Latin flair. We had some pop rock flair. We had some EDM stuff, some dance stuff, some throwbacks, and a little bit of everything. It was a good time from beginning to end. And I think there's enough of me talking right now. I think I might as well just port you in. And before I press play, I'd just like to say, if it's your first time visiting me here on this platform, I'd love to invite you to jump down below, hit the subscribe button so you can stay in the know every time I drip videos here on this channel. I'm sharing a lot of content of varied sorts, really gauged to inspire, to help, and to empower people that work in the private event industry, DJs of all walks of life from all over the place. And I just would be grateful if you supported me and this channel with some sub love down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, which I know most of the people are, I just have to say thank you so much. It is so awesome to see so many people returning, visiting, commenting, and sending me messages about the content that they see here on the channel. It means the world to me. So I just wanted to say thank you to all of you guys for coming back and continuing to support me here. Anyway, enough of me talking. Let's jump into the video. This is a JAni wedding.
Please welcome the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Thomas and Kelly McPherson. I think you all can do a lot better than that. Please make some noise for the reason we are all here tonight.
I hope you all enjoyed the footage of this wedding. Be on the lookout for more content dripping right here on this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. And don't worry, I've got a playlist of over 400 events that I personally hosted right over here. If you'd like to get lost in it, feel free to tap into this playlist and just view all the different content. And I just, again, appreciate you watching this to the very end.